So hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video. Today's topic is how to customize a Shopee store like a pro. Okay, so let's quickly start our video. First, after coming to your Shopee, look here. You will find an option called online store below. Click on online store. After clicking, wait, it's loading here. After coming, you will see the search option at the top. You have to go there, use Pagefly and search. Okay. Fourth Play Builder C. You all need to install this app. Okay. I already have it installed. So you need to install it. Look, you need to download this app. I already have it downloaded. Alright. So now on the main topic, how you can customize it to look like a pro. Okay. So it's simple. You'll find an option by scrolling down to pages. I already have a page created here. If you don't have one, you'll simply see create a page below. Here, I have create for template. Okay. So you have to click here and come to the home. After coming to the home, look here at registry editor. You have to click on this. After clicking here, you will see a lot of themes. I am selecting any one theme here. Alright. I am selecting this theme here. Alright, you can customize anything here. Alright, I hear. Look here, I've customized one here. I'm writing something here, okay? Here you can customize. Look here, learn mode. You can customize anything. See how I deleted the customize button? You can customize anything like that. After customizing, look, we automatically got a page like that for you. Okay, just like you can get a page. Once you get it, and if the page is alright, you'll see the save option here. You need to click on this save option. Alright, here you need to give a page title, anything. I'm keeping the same title here and then save it. Look here, the page is being saved below. It will take a little time. See, the page has been saved. Now publish it here. So I am publishing this. Look, our page is being published. You can make your page look professional like this. So guys, if you are liking our video, then please like, subscribe and share the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.